My guy, new day. Today we're starting to pull off all the stuff off of the motor, get it ready to pull so that we can get the motor out of the car, tear it apart, and see what we need. Already started a little bit, pulled off some stuff, got all that off, but gonna pull the radiator, unconnect the harness, all that jazz, power steering pump, all that stuff. Gonna label the harness with some painter's tape, label it, make sure that don't get anything wrong, because once we pull out the harness, I think I'm gonna shave it down a little bit, do a little tuck. But yeah, so we'll get on it, get going. Alright, what's up, guys? I don't remember where we left off last, but everything's off the motor. Got the axles out, got everything off the motor. Wiring harness, shifter cables, fuel lines, all of it's disconnected. All we gotta do now is put the engine hoist mounts on, and then be able to pull her out of the car and disconnect all the engine mounts and whatnot. But it shouldn't be too long. I'm just gonna clean up all this so that we can move the engine hoist and be able to pull it out of the car. But yeah, axles are out, suspension's all back together so we can put the wheels back on and lower her down so it'll be easier to take the motor out and everything. So keep you updated.
Other people.
I got a little update for you guys. Got the engine hoist all hooked up. All the bolts are out of the motor mounts, whatnot. Everything's disconnected. I'm hoping, let's see, once I start pulling it out of the car, but that's all good, taken care of. Yeah, so now we're gonna start lifting her out of the car, and hopefully all will go smooth and we don't have any problems, but I think we should be good. But yeah, put you guys on a time lapse.
Yeah. Other people. Yeah. Other people. Yeah. Other people. Yeah.
Alright, motor's out. Everything's good. So this is out. You can take a break for a second, so cool off. It's pretty hot. But yeah, motor's out. All this, gonna clean up, take some stuff out, whatnot. But next plan of action is take the trans and the clutch off the motor so we can put it on the engine stand and then start disassembling and whatnot, get rid of what I'm not gonna need, all that jazz. But yeah, venture. It's a good old venture, I guess. But yeah, so plan of action, take a break, put the motor on the engine stand, take the trans off, whatnot, all that jazz. And then I think we're gonna go to the store and buy some Tupperware bins, put all the parts away, because it's gonna be a minute till the Talon's back up to what I want it to be. But what's up, guys? So got the trans off. Trans is sitting right there. Pulling off the clutch right now. Get ready to put it on the engine stand. But yeah, look and see. Already got the bolts all out of the clutch. Let's see what this clutch looks like. Ooh, not too bad, but definitely, yeah, she was getting there and ready to go. Yeah, sweet. So that's off now, and now I need to take flywheel bolts out, and then she'll be good to go. Yeah.
Other people.
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 Yeah. My guy, trans is off. everything's good. Motor's in the garage on the engine stand. We're all ready to go. So now I'm gonna clean up the driveway, put parts away, whatnot. But again, close out this video. Appreciate everybody that made it this far. If you guys want to watch the series of this, I'm gonna make it a whole series, go through the whole builds, everything. Gonna take my time with it, gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, if you guys are interested, go ahead and subscribe, follow the Instagram at DAT_2G Talon. Probably be more updates on there than YouTube, but let's hope. I'm gonna hope and try to document as much of this build as I can, because the first time around putting this motor in, I didn't really do a whole lot. But I think what the plan is right now is sell a bunch of parts, start fresh, take time with it, gonna shave the whole bay, do a whole bunch of shit, whatnot. But probably get rid of this motor, go full 6-bolt. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.